This is a great example of a nicely updated vacation rentable condo here on Maui. One of the things that makes this property so special is it has 2 separate levels and 2 large ocean view lanais, one on each level. This is the view from the primary bedroom lanai. It's the perfect spot to watch whales jump in the winter months and sailboats cruise by all year long. Aloha everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of a very special 2-bedroom, 2-bath vacation rental investment property here on Maui. As always, stick around towards the end of the video and we're going to talk about rental income versus expenses for a property similar to this, and I'll share the current status of the Maui real estate market for vacation rental investment properties. Let's jump right into it. We're going to be taking a look at my newest listing at Kahana Sunset, located oceanfront on Maui's west side. The amenities include a beautiful ocean view pool and spa and barbecue area. There's also access to a small sandy beach. It's very common to find sea turtles enjoying a little time in the sun on this beach. Let's go take a look at the condo. This is Unit E5 at Kahana Sunset. You do have great ocean views right as you enter the front door. The ground level has the kitchen and living room area and this very large lanai. This property just hit the market, listed at $1.195 million. This is just one of 2 separate ocean view lanais attached to this property. The property does come fully equipped with all the beach gear you would need to go enjoy yourself down at the beach with the turtles. The entire interior was recently redecorated and repainted. We actually helped this client purchase and fix up this property. Helping to improve properties like this is one of the many things that me and my team do to help our clients succeed with their vacation rental investments. My amazing wife, Marcia, played a huge role in getting this place redecorated and looking beautiful. The property does have split system AC, one on the ground level and one in each bedroom, keeping the unit nice and cool. Let's head upstairs where you're going to find both of the bedrooms and bathrooms. There's 1 bedroom on each side of the staircase. This floor plan creates privacy between the 2 bedrooms. Neither one of them share a common wall. This is my favorite room in the condo. Just imagine waking up to these ocean views from bed. Now, I do want to bring your attention to the building right in front of this condo. That building is set directly on top of a seawall and is currently experiencing some structural issues that will likely cause a future assessment on the association. The cost and timeline of the assessment are still unknown, but it is an important disclosure. That said, the building that this unit is in, Building E, is solid. No structural concerns. Behind that curtain is a full-size washer and dryer. Entering the toilet and shower room, notice that there is a skylight above the shower. From here, we're going to head over to the other side of the staircase to take a look at the 2nd bedroom and bathroom. This room is beautifully decorated and it's currently configured with 2 twin beds, which can be easily pushed together for guests that want one large bed. Let's head over to the attached bathroom. This one also has a skylight, infusing beautiful natural light. So that's it for the quick tour. Now let's talk about the rental income. This spreadsheet shows 3 different 2-bedroom units at Kahana Sunset and the nightly rates for each based on the season. You'll notice that there is a low comp, a medium comp, and a high comp. To be conservative, even though this is one of the nicer units at Kahana Sunset, we're going to use the rental income for an average of all 3. If we assume an occupancy rate of 85%, which is typical for our current market, we calculate potential rental income of just over $123,000 for the year. Let's take that gross rental income projection and plug it into our spreadsheet. Subtract the 25% management fee to calculate our net rental income, and then we subtract our expenses. Maintenance fees, also known as HOA dues, is $1,394 per month. This fee does include all utilities at this property except for electricity. The average electric bill on this condo is right around $350 per month. You'll also want to account for interior contents and liability insurance, and of course you can't forget your property taxes. It all boils down to an estimated cash flow of right around $61,000 per year. Other factors to consider would be a mortgage expense if you plan to get a bank loan, and how much personal usage you plan to have on the property. You're welcome to use the property as often as you like, but of course that will impact your rental income. Now, of course, these figures are just for educational purposes. Past performance does not guarantee future results. And like just about any investment, nothing is fully guaranteed. One more thing. I do get a lot of questions and comments from people asking how we account for taxes and cleaning fees. Both of these expenses are passed on directly to the renter and not included in the average nightly rate. Most property managers will collect these fees on your behalf and pay them directly to the vendor and the state. The rental income figures and spreadsheets that I share typically do not include the cleaning fees and the taxes. This is because it's considered a pass-through expense, which does not affect your gross rental income. So one of the most common questions I get recently is, how is the real estate market here on Maui performing with all the talk of the rising mortgage interest rates? Truly, it's a tale of 2 different categories. While the single-family homes might be slowing a little bit, the vacation rental condo category is still going really strong. Rental income is incredibly strong. Occupancy rates are through the roof. Interest in purchasing properties just like this has stayed relatively steady, and we're not seeing very motivated sellers, especially considering how strong the rental income is for these properties. For the most part, real estate values for vacation properties like this have held pretty steady, even during our slowest months of the year, which is September, October, and the beginning of November. It's going to be really interesting to see what happens as we roll into our high season, which usually starts right around Christmas through New Year's and extends through January, February, and March. That's when we tend to see the highest volume of sales on Maui for properties like this. While the inventory might increase a little bit, I really expect the demand to be just as high or even higher during our busy seasons of the year. Now this particular property is probably going to sell relatively quickly. If you're in the market to find a property just like this and you miss out on this opportunity, please feel free to reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to help you find your slice of paradise. That's it for the video, guys. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in more Maui real estate content similar to this. And we'll see you on the next video. Aloha.